I'm back to the kitchen with my mom again. What are we going to make today, mom?
ผัดซีอิ๊วค่ะ
Another my favorite childhood dish we make with the fat light noodle, stir fry with the soy sauce and some Chinese broccoli and then some meat on it. First of all, we're going to marinate the pork, some soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, cornstarch, white pepper. I love a lot. Wow. A super important ingredient. Some egg. Mix well together.
Nope.
We're going to leave for 15 minutes. This is a Chinese broccoli. So what my mom do is she tried to peel the skin on the head stem because this is the so hard part that is hard to chewy because there's a lot of fiber in it. So what she do is she take it off and then it just look like here. You're going to slide a bite size right here. We separate the stem and the leaf because the stem is thicker. It takes more time to cook and the leaf is easily to cook. So that's why we separate two parts. This is a fat rice noodle. When we got it, it's just kind of like a bundle. So what my mom do is she tried to separate for each piece. We're gonna put it in microwave for 1 minute. The black soy sauce to the rice noodle to make a color. You see the noodle is start coating like a brown color. It's so beautiful. Awesome. A little bit sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce. Okay. Let's taste it together.
Wow. Nope.
Good?
อร่อย
Okay. She proved that it's delicious. Ooh, the noodle is look so good. It's chewy, soft. Oh my god, mom.
Nope.
This is mine. There are a few tips to make a padseeew. Tip number 1, you want to marinate the meat in the fish sauce and the soy sauce, and the most important ingredient is the cornstarch and egg. This way, it can help soften the texture of the meat to be super soft. Unless you don't like the meat dish, you can add any type of the seafood like shrimp, or you want to, as a vegetarian dish, you can add more any kind of vegetable and the tofu in it. Tip number 2, the stem of the Chinese broccoli is quite chewy. You want to peel off the skin a little bit. Tip number 3, you want to microwave the rice noodle for 1 minute. This way it helps to soften the rice noodle, and when you stir fry, it wouldn't be fall apart or bake out the noodle. Tip number 4, to make the rice noodle dish look colorful, you want to coat it with the black soy sauce or the sweet soy sauce. before stir fry. Finally, tip number 5, I would recommend the high heat when you do the stir fry noodle. This way you can cook it quick and let the noodle stay look like a long thread, and the color of the vegetable still green. And another secret is you can smell the smoky of the rice noodle that touching with the wok. And that's it.
One more bite.
Okay, I give you. One more. Oh, it's hot. Oh God.
อร่อย
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy our recipe and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.